What's up guys, Eric with Varus Engineering, and today we're going to be installing some carbon nylon front splitter end plates on our carbon polyweave front splitter that's being finished up right here. The kit components are going to be a left and a right hand front splitter end plate, and then some hardware, which is M4. We're going to have some M4 button head cap screws, we're going to have some M4 washers, and some M4 nylocks, which install directly into... Wow, it'd be really nice if this thing focused. There we go, directly into the end plate. We have counter bored holes in the splitter that we're going to drill through with a 7/32 drill, and that's going to be basically the entirety of the install. So basically we're going to need a drill bit, and then a 2mm Allen wrench, 2.5mm Allen wrench for that button head cap screw. Let's get to it.
Rolling action.
All right, so we have our end plate here. I'm trying to show you with some light. We have our M4 nylocks. Those are going to go in, and then with like slight pressure, should be able to clip them into their little home. And then we'll be able to throw this on the top side and throw on some button heads on the bottom. And M4 button head cap screws, 20mm long. We got a fender washer. We're going up from the bottom, being careful not to cross thread it because it is just an M4. Going into the nylon, in through the nylon, and then into that nylock, and then we will tighten it down. Alright, so we have our button head cap screw. It is an M4 by 16mm. We have a fender washer. We're going up from the bottom in through that carbon nylon and into that nylock, and we're going to tighten it. Give it a little snug tighten. It's going into a nylock, so don't go crazy. You can move the end plate around so that it's flush with the outside, and you'll be good to go.